Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then enter sound and vibration section, and here you can find ringtone. You can select one of these pre-installed ringtones, you can just set it on silent. You can add your own ringtone by selecting audio file from your device's memory, if you have one. I'm just going to select one of these pre-installed. Let's listen to some of them. I like this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.